Hello guys, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Facebook Lite. To know how to find the solution about Facebook Lite, you should just go to settings. After that, we click apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this list, you'll enter to the window of Facebook Lite. When you'll find this page of app info, you will click on force stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then we click clear cache. You can turn off your Wi-Fi and you can wait a moment to turn on your Wi-Fi again. Then you can go to Play Store. You can search about Facebook Lite, you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.